In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add twin range filter indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through this step by step, so if you're newer to TradingView or just haven't used this indicator before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find it, add it to your chart, and where to go next to get the most out of it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market and any time frame will work for this walkthrough. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators and sits above your chart area. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the main Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search through all the available tools. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly into that search field so you can start typing. This is where we're going to look up the twin range filter indicator specifically, instead of scrolling through a long list and trying to find it manually. Now in the search bar, type twin range filter. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below and show results that match what you've entered. Give it a second if your connection is a bit slow. Once you see twin range filter appear in the results, click on it. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added to your active chart. You should notice new lines or bands appear, depending on how the script is designed. After the indicator is added, the next important step is to adjust the settings so it matches your style and the markets you trade. To do this, hover over the twin range filter name, which you'll find at the top of your chart or in the indicator list on the chart. You'll see a small gear icon appear. Click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you can tweak inputs like lengths, smoothing values, or colors. Take a moment to read through each option so you understand what you're changing. If you're unsure, you can start with the default values and only adjust the visual settings, like line colors and thickness, to make the indicator easier to see against your chart background. You can always come back later and refine the inputs as you gain more experience. Finally, if you want to sign up for TradingView Pro, or are looking for any special links or resources mentioned in this tutorial, use the link provided in the video description. That's where you'll find the most up-to-date sign-up information and any extras connected to this guide. And that's it. You've successfully added the twin range filter indicator to your TradingView Pro chart and opened its settings so you can customize it for your own trading workflow.